Hey there, Wanderers. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing another 3-pack opening for the Backrooms. So let's take a look, see what we got. First pack going in. Scarebacks. Car Park Portal. The Void. Death Moth Jelly. Corner. Hallway. Bright Hall. Arch Raven. Boom Shrooms. The Holographic Void. Ooh, that's cool. Going into the second pack. Party Pooper. Aquazone Portal. Nice. Snooze Shrooms. Dark Hall. Golden Stairs. Death Moth Jelly. Lecture Hall. Arch Raven. Gas Mask. Oh, we got the gold tape. Okay. Nice. Alright, last pack going in. Poisoned Hall. Punctured Wall. Golden Stairs. Death Moth Jelly. Corner. Dark Hall. Bright Hall. Memory Fluid. Grolix. Ooh, we got the holographic digital comic art. Lost Agent. Dang. Oh, that was good. Okay. That definitely felt like a satisfying pull. Alright, thanks so much for coming back for another pack pull. Hope you had a good time, and see you for the next one.